Have you tried the MagicLeap?
I have not. Have you?
Yes, we
Yeah.
have. We
Oh,
have one,
cool.
yeah.
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 What are your thoughts on it? Is it,
Um,
of course, there's a lot
a,
of hype about it and
yeah.
a lot of interest, but yeah.
Well, Microsoft did some originally really groundbreaking work with the HoloLens that
Mm-hmm.
demonstrated. Most important thing for our industry was that they demonstrated the inside-out tracking, which is not what we're doing right now. As you know, you and I are being
Mm-hmm.
scanned. You can even see me. I don't know if anybody else can see me glitching one frame once in a while, but basically what's happening here is that we've got these little, laser projectors on the wall that are telling our headsets where they are, basically in our
Mm-hmm.
hands, and that works pretty well. But the what you really need is to have a headset that lets you walk through a park and
Mm-hmm.
continuously knows where it is. And Microsoft demonstrated that with a HoloLens, and I think that was one of the most amazing innovations. Magic Leap is, not as much different from the HoloLens as everybody would have wanted. I don't think it represents a consumer breakthrough yet. I don't know that Magic Leap in this first incarnation intended it to be that. I don't think they did. But
Mm-hmm.
they do demonstrate a few interesting ideas, kind of more at the application layer. Like they have a program on the Magic Leap that we were all just giggling about in the office because it's very much like high fidelity, where you can pull stuff out of like a crate and just drop it on the floor, and you make a goldfish and it swims off
Mm-hmm.
around the room. I mean, and it knows where the edges of the walls are, so it won't go through the walls. I mean, that's pretty epic when you
Yeah.
see that. But obviously, the field of view and the weight and the battery life and everything is still just not where it needs to be for these devices to go mainstream.
Mm-hmm.
I think AR is hard because not only is the device development harder, you have to have a smaller, lighter, less obnoxious looking device, like we were talking about with the spectacles and the
Mm-hmm.
glass. The other problem with AR, which is really, I don't know how to solve, is privacy and ownership. Like if I'm scanning the street as I'm walking around and
Mm-hmm.
you walk by me and I sort of scan you with my device, like, can I just put that information about you into a database, and who owns that data? And so I think if I scan this room, not this room, if I scan a real room because I'm there for a meeting and it,
Mm-hmm.
and it loads it up into some big global database of shapes or something, is that legal? Do I sign
Yeah.
something when I come into your
Yeah.
office that says I won't scan your office with my gadget? So there's a lot of stuff that's going to happen around that. That's going to be big, that needs to get worked out. So I think, in
Yeah.
short, I don't know what you
Huh.
think. I think AR's a bit farther out, and the focus on stuff like this, VR, is. I mean, if we can go to school here, come on, let's get on it and go to school. I think
Yeah.
there's a opportunity in the near term for that. But certainly AR is going to be very high impact as these technical and privacy issues get worked out.